from Odisha state, and I am working as a clerk. And it has been almost 2 years I have been working there, and I love talking
Okay.
with the people from different states and different country. And I love
Okay.
watching English news. Even on my YouTube channel, I have already uploaded so many videos regarding news reporting, something like that. Okay, and I watched some of your videos, and I thought that I should converse with you. So I sent a message, and finally I have met with you, and I'm very much glad to be part of your videos.
And thanks a lot, and thank you so much for your timing. And we are
Okay.
talking. So, do you want to ask anything, or I can ask? Tell me.
Okay. Actually, one question is fluctuating to my mind. So I would like to ask you not only one question, but also I do have three questions to ask you. But first question, I would like to tell you about your YouTube channel. So, like you said that you do have a
Okay.
YouTube channel. So, I want to know from you that when did you think about your YouTube channel? Like, how did this idea come to your mind that I should have a YouTube channel? Like your family members or friends
Okay.
or teacher, okay, or by yourself thought that I should have a YouTube channel, and why did you create your YouTube channel? So, I want to know from you.
Yeah. So, definitely, I love to answer your question.
Okay,
So it was Corona time in 2020. So
okay,
I'm thinking to learn English. Okay, I know English. I know the how to written. I know people are speaking. I can understand. The thing is when it's come to speaking, so it is very difficult to speak. So that's why I am thinking to learn English, right? And
okay,
everybody that time it was free, and I was free that time, and I start learning. I'm starting doing conversation with the people, like I'm using Joestock application. Many voice call application is there, and you can
okay,
connect with the multiple people, and you can talk to them. You understand them how people are talking, right? And while talking, you will understood how you need to prepare yourself, what you need to prepare yourself for speaking, and for that I'm learning a lot of things from people side. And also apart from learning, I'm also watching video on YouTube, and I
okay,
found many people they are making these kind of conversation whatever we are doing as of now. And
okay,
that time I think in my mind, okay, I need to start my channel also, I can do it. But yeah, but for that we need to prepare myself, because if I can speak, I can understand the people what they are saying, and I can answer them. Then after that, I will start my channel. So
okay,
and I start this year in January, and I start doing conversation with the people. I'm approaching the people like you, and I'm just mail them, and they reply, and I connect with the people, and then we can talk and we can learn a lot of things from them. So that's why.
okay, okay. Sounds great. Okay, so you are having conversation with one-to-one video call conversation, or like you are uploading videos of different kinds of activities. I would say that you are teaching to the viewers how they will improve their communication skills. This kind of video has been uploaded by you on your YouTube channel.
No, no. Actually, I'm uploading like this kind of conversation only. I'm not. I'm not a teacher. Actually, I'm not a teacher. I'm a learner. I'm also learning, and I'm still learning a lot of things. I need to work on my communication. So I have to learn a lot of things. I'm also following some of the people on YouTube. They are making great content, and I'm following. I'm learning through that video, and still I need more and more,
Mhm.
time to learn. And just I want to working on my communication, how I can speak on better. And that's why I'm keep working. And in future, definitely, I'm thinking to start something on, so maybe on YouTube, maybe some physical classes. So let's see what
Mhm.
happens. So first, before starting anything, we need to prepare ourselves. Then we can start, and then we can work.
Okay, okay, yes, yes,
Yes.
okay. And you know that I do request to all the subscriber of yours and viewers,
Mhm.
if they will visit to my YouTube channel, because I am uploading this kind of content videos that I am giving tips, tricks, methods. If they will inculcate in their day-to-day practice, then their English will
Okay,
be improved by using this kind of
great.
points, which I am going to providing them. Even I have already posted so many videos, so I am giving such kind of information on my YouTube channel. So if they will visit, okay, and if they will like, then they will subscribe. But overall, I
Mhm.
am uploading this
Definitely.
kind of video. Okay. And one
So,
thing also,
as for Mhm.
yes, yes, go ahead.
Oh, you was complete first.
Okay. So I wanted to tell you this kind of things because, if you will upload any kinds of videos, if the video will not benefit for the viewers, then they will not subscribe. Okay. And the video which you have uploaded or are going to upload on your YouTube channel and the video will benefit for them, then definitely they will watch and they will subscribe. So I will try my level best
Yeah,
to
true.
upload such kind of videos which will definitely helpful for them. So I will try my level best to upload such kind of
Yes,
videos.
true.
Yeah.
Great, great. So, what kind of content you are uploading in your channel? So, can you tell me? And how you are trying to help other people they want to learn, and how you can say the day-to-day activities they can learn through.
Okay. Okay. So like I said that I'm giving such kind of information. Like most of the people they don't have idea about. Okay, who are living in village area, rural area, they don't have proper idea about that how to start learning this language. Okay,
True,
they don't have friends,
true,
even they don't have good conducive environment. So they don't have any idea
true,
about how to start learning this language. Even as you can
true,
see
true.
behind me that I am living also in village area. So whatever I have already experienced, just I am um, mentioning on my videos that how I used to use such kind of methods which would help me a lot. And just I'm sharing my all experience through my videos. And even like I said that I am living in village area. So whatever I have faced in my earlier days when I started learning this language, so I'm just sharing my thoughts, my ideas that if you will do this kind of thing, then definitely also you will speak flawless English. So my contents are like they will implement tricks, tips, and methods. Even I am having conversation with people, okay, with the help of Skype application and different kinds of applications. So these kind of videos have been uploaded by me on my YouTube channel. And if they don't have proper idea, okay, how to start learning this language, then it will be worthless, I would say that, and they will not improve their English. So if they will use good methods in their initial stage, then definitely they will improve their English.
Okay, so what is your suggestion? They want to learn English and they want to learn from beginning. So how they can walk and how they can
Okay,
learn and what they
okay,
need to do in their daily routine.
okay. So if I'm talking about basic level students who are willing to improve their spoken English, then first of all they can do one thing. Okay, they will listen more and more. Okay, they will listen more and more. According to me, that if you will listen more and more, then you can better speak. Since our childhood, we have been listening our mother tongue. Okay, we are not listening
True,
English language, something like that. So if you listen more and more, then it will store in your mind. Okay, all the information, whatever you are listening or watching English related contents video. So if you will listen or watching more videos, then it will store your mind, and you will be familiar with this language if you will listen more and more. And also, I would like to tell you one thing. Uh, Inculcate or utilize storytelling in your beginning stage. Okay, watch only storytelling videos because it is really very helpful for the beginner level students. If you will watch storytelling video, then it will be definitely helpful for you. Even if you don't have friends with whom you can hone your communication skills, spoken English, then do one thing. self-talk. It is also one kind of good method. And record your
True.
video. Yeah, like take out any simple topic. Even you will use your day-to-day life, like whatever you did yesterday, your daily life, your daily activities. If you will practice in front of your mobile phone, just you will record your video. Okay, this is the main thing. And if you are all alone, if you don't have friends, then you can do one method, just record your video. And after recording, you will find out your mistake, which kind of mistake did you do, and you will rectify your mistake. Even I used to use this method when I started learning English. I was recording my video and recording my video again and over again, and I was figuring out that which kind of mistake I made or I did. So in this way, I improved my English. And hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, actually, someone was calling me. Okay, no problem. So I was recording my video. Okay, and after that, I was figuring out my mistake. As you can see that, and I have already mentioned I am living in village area, and so I did not have any friends, and I did not have environment. Nevertheless, I improved my English with the help of like recording my video. I would say that. So in this way, I
That's very
improved.
great.
Yes. So mobile phone is a best friend of yours. Okay, everyone has a smart
Yeah,
mobile.
yeah.
Why not? We should use in order to improve our spoken English.
That's great. That's very
Yes,
great.
yes. Even there are plenty of free of cost application which are available on Play Store. So if they
Mm-hmm.
don't have idea about it, then they will Google it. Even they will search on YouTube channel. Then they will find out plethora of free of cost application, and they if they will use this kind of free of cost application, then definitely these are the applications which are helpful for them.
True, true, true. It is
Yeah.
completely true.
Mm. Okay. So, okay, I want to know that according to you, everyone has their one point of view. Okay. So, according to
Correct.
you, yes, which kind of activities, if the beginner level students will do, then their spoken English will be improved, according to you. And also, I want to
Yeah,
know
you
that.
said already.
Okay,
Yeah, you
okay,
said already. The beginner level they want to learn English. So first they should learn through the video. They listen to more and more video, right? And they will get idea. They will store their mind and the knowledge how they can talking. And after that
okay,
they start speaking. Then it's come their mind. Okay, what they need to is to speak. So yeah, somewhere practice is also very important. They
okay,
should try to speak most of the time. They can their mouth, their tongue, their habitual to speak. Yeah, so practice is also very important part for learning this. So that's all from my side, I think.
okay, okay. Okay. So, is there any question? Do you have? Then do feel free to
No,
ask.
no, I don't have any question, and just I want to say one thing. It was really really great conversation with you, and I'm also enjoy a lot of the thing. And also I learned many things from your side, how we need to practice, how we need to work on our communication, and how we can build our confidence. So thanks a lot, and thank you so much for joining me. And if you're really interested, then definitely you can talk again, not a problem. Whenever you want to discuss, you
Okay.
can just request, and just you can mail me or message me, and we can
Yes.
discuss again. Then thanks a lot,
Why,
and keep
why
practice.
not? Yes. Why not? I'm looking forward to seeing you, and it was pleasure talking with you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye.
Bye bye. Keep practice.